What if I told you that right now, complete beginners with zero experience are quietly making money online using ChatGPT? Not experts, not programmers, not tech founders, just normal people who figured out one simple thing. AI doesn't reward intelligence. It rewards action. And while most people are still asking whether AI is useful, others are already using it to build income streams from scratch. But here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. Most beginners fail with ChatGPT, not because it doesn't work, but because they don't know what to actually do with it. They open it, type a few random prompts, expect money to appear, and when it doesn't work instantly, they quit. But the people who are actually making money, they are not using ChatGPT like a toy. They are using it like a business partner. So today, I'm going to break down exactly how beginners are making money with ChatGPT in 2026. Real methods, real strategies, no hype, just what is actually working right now. Let's begin. The truth about making money with ChatGPT. Before we talk about methods, you need to understand something important. ChatGPT is not a money machine. It is a leverage machine. It doesn't create income on its own. It multiplies what you already do. If you have no direction, it will give you random output. But if you have even a simple direction, it becomes powerful. Think of it like this. A hammer is useless if you don't know what you're building. But in the hands of someone who knows construction, it becomes powerful. ChatGPT works the same way. And beginners who understand this are already ahead of 90% of people. Because they are not asking, what can AI do? They are asking, what can I do with AI helping me? That shift changes everything. Now, let's break down exactly how beginners are making money. Number 5, AI freelance writing. One of the simplest ways beginners are earning money is through writing, but not traditional writing, AI-assisted writing. Businesses need constant content, emails, blog posts, product descriptions, ad copy, social media captions. And most business owners are too busy to write everything themselves. So beginners use ChatGPT to speed up the process. Instead of spending 5 hours writing an article, they use AI to generate a draft in minutes. Then they refine it, improve it, make it sound human, and deliver it to clients. The important part is not just using AI. It's knowing how to edit AI output into something useful, because raw AI text is everywhere now. But useful, structured, polished content is still valuable. And businesses pay for results, not effort. Even beginners are landing small clients on freelance platforms just by offering simple writing services powered by AI. And over time, they improve. Faster delivery, better quality, higher rates. That's how it starts. Number 4, AI, social media management. Another way beginners are making money is by managing social media content for small businesses, local shops, coaches, small brands, and online creators. Most of them know they need to post content, but they don't know what to post. This is where ChatGPT becomes powerful. Beginners use it to generate content ideas, captions, hooks, and even full posting schedules. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, they can create a full week or even a month of content in a short time. Then they package it as a service. Social media management using AI support. Businesses don't care how you create the content. They care that it is consistent, professional, and saves them time. And consistency is something most businesses struggle with. That gap creates opportunity. Beginners who understand content systems are quietly getting paid monthly retainers just for managing posts. It's not glamorous, but it works. Number 3, AI digital products. This is where beginners start thinking bigger. Instead of trading time for money, they create something once and sell it multiple times. Using ChatGPT, they create ebooks, guides, templates, study notes, planners, and digital resources. For example, someone can create a simple guide like Beginner Guide to Productivity or Content Ideas for Small Businesses. ChatGPT helps structure it, write it, refine it, then they design it and sell it online. The key advantage is leverage. You don't need to repeat work. You don't need to find clients every day. You create once and sell forever. Beginners love this because it feels simple. And once one product starts selling, they realize something powerful. You don't need a job to earn money. You need a system. Number 2, AI, YouTube, and content channels. A lot of beginners are also using ChatGPT to start YouTube channels without showing their face. They use it to generate scripts, video ideas, hooks, and storytelling structures. Then they combine it with voice tools and basic editing, and suddenly they have a content channel running with very little manual effort. Some focus on finance, some on motivation, some on stories or documentaries. The important part is not the niche, it is consistency. Because YouTube rewards volume and retention over perfection, beginners who stick with it are slowly building channels that can earn from ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. And the best part? One good video can keep making money for years. That's why this method is so powerful. It's not instant, but it is scalable. Number 1, AI automation services. The biggest opportunity beginners are moving into is automation. Businesses hate repetitive tasks, replying to messages, organizing leads, answering customer questions, sending emails, booking appointments. Beginners are using ChatGPT along with simple tools to automate these tasks for small businesses. Instead of doing everything manually, they help businesses save time and reduce workload. And businesses are willing to pay for that because time saved equals money earned. Even beginners are setting up simple automation systems and charging monthly fees for maintenance. This is where things start to become serious, because now you are not just offering a task, you are offering a system, and systems scale. Why most beginners still fail? Now here's the reality. Even with all these opportunities, most beginners still fail. Not because AI is hard, but because they jump from idea to idea, they watch videos, get excited, try something for 2 days, and quit when it doesn't work instantly. But real money online does not work like that. It rewards consistency. It rewards learning. It rewards patience. The beginners who succeed are not the smartest. They are just the ones who stayed long enough to improve. And that alone separates them from everyone else. We are still early in this AI wave. Right now, tools like ChatGPT are giving beginners something that didn't exist before. A shortcut to skills, a shortcut to productivity, a shortcut to opportunity. But shortcuts only work when you actually walk the path. The tool is not the advantage. The advantage is how you use it. Because in the end, AI will not replace beginners, but beginners who use AI will replace those who don't. And that is the real shift happening right now. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more content about money, business, AI, and online opportunities. And remember this, the future doesn't reward those who wait. It rewards those who start.